Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered as a vegetable. It is known for its rich content of vitamins A and C, fiber, potassium, and antioxidants. These nutrients help improve digestion, support heart health, and boost the immune system. It is cultivated most in countries like Italy, India, and the United States, particularly in California. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as fennel, fennel, fennel. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about fennel, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.